beyond the hills where wild winds blow, the evening sky where shades of gold, 1,000 stories yet untold. The road ahead begins to sing, with every step new hopes it brings. My heart is free, my soul is light. I'm traveling through this lovely night. The breeze is calling soft and slow to places only dreamers know. Across the hills and by the sea, every mile a song to find, leaving all my fears behind. Stars above begin to glow, lighting every path I know. This journey never ends, for the road has become my friend. The river shines in silver light, reflecting colors of the night. The birds return to nests with grace, while smiles are found on every face. The village lamps begin to gleam, like little stars beside the stream. The smell of earth after the day makes every worry fade away. Whispers through the trees, a timeless song upon